Hey guys, it's Maymay and I got Amanda. You're my chalky, trusty sidekick. That's hard to say. But Amanda's here today to help me as well, and we are going to be making this beautiful round gold trimmed board. Now I want to show you this. We're actually going to do two in this video. We're doing this one and we're going to do the smaller one, but I wanted to show you the difference in the size. We're going to do one of these established wreaths with the year that Vince and I got married here, and then look at this big guy. These boards are stunning, and the thing I love about them is this is chalk board, so you can erase these and use them over and over again. So at Christmas, I can deck these out for Christmas, and I cannot wait. All right, so I did cover up my ink, my chalk I'm going to need.
I handed you the wrong one.
This one has been used before, so I don't have to fuzz it as much. I may not fuzz it at all. I don't know, maybe just a tiny bit, just to be safe. So I'm going to take a towel, and I'm going to fuzz this guy just one time. I don't think I really need it. We use this on a board we have here at the shop that's a welcome board. If you ever come to visit us, you'll see that board. It's really cute. It says, welcome y'all, and it's got some chickens on it. So there is that, and got a little fuzz on there. Let's move that out of the way. I'm going to put these chickens at the top. Now, something I'm trying to do, and I'm on this crooked table, but I want to make sure I get this so that when it hangs, it'll hang straight. My images will hang straight anyway. So I'm going to bring this up to the top a bit, about like that. And then I'm just going to barely stick that down and then hold this up and look at it and make sure that my design is between these two hooks. And I am off. I am off. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to do this. I can see my little hooks there. And I'm going to straighten that up. That feels better. I was very crooked. So just be sure you check that. I'll stick it one more time and just look at it. Much better. Okay. And I'm having to do this away from me because I'm having to do it for camera. You won't have to do that at home. You'll be able to get to it nice and easy. All right. Then get this guy all sealed down. And this is the second time I'm using this transfer. So this shows you how you can use them over and over again. We're going to do this one in black. And, oh, that's feeling better. I guess that water, did you add some more?
I had some more.
Yeah, this is better. I got a little gun shy and didn't want to add too much black earlier because I have over-watered one when we're filming, and that was not good. If your chalk gets a little stodgy, a little stove up, you can add a little water, and that'll help to get it more like yogurt consistency. That's what you want. And then I'm just going to take this, and I'm just going to squeegee it down my transfer, covering every spot. I'm probably going to add a little more because I'm always a little bit sparing, I find. I'd rather add more than take off. I don't know why I'm that way. It's just the way I do things. All right, let's see how far that'll go. And all I'm doing is flooding the screen. I'm not trying to press in very hard. I'm just letting my squeegee here slide that chalk paste across the surface. And when I do that in a nice even surface motion like this, what happens is the ink fills up the screen, and that's all we need. That feels pretty good to me. All right. I've got a little water bath off to the side. This I might can peel off. Let's just see. You want to peel evenly. Look at there. That's coming up nicely. You guys are seeing it before me. Oh, my word. That is stunning, isn't it?
It is.
Wow, those chickens on there are so pretty. I cannot believe how gorgeous that is. I knew it would be, but that's incredible.
I'm loving it. I get the biggest kick out of the ground.
It's so gorgeous, isn't it? I'm going to add farm fresh down here because is there anything fresher than them chickens right there? I know, rooster chicken. I'm sorry. I know this. I'm a country girl. I just, it's like Amanda said in our last video, ships are boats and chickens are chickens, even if they're roosters. So, all right, I'm going to fuzz this a little bit because this one has not been used. The farm fresh has not been used. And then I'm going to add this to the bottom. Of course, you could use anything. These two transfers don't come together. I don't remember where this one comes from. Do you see it? Oh, it's over here. It's the one that says groceries on it. It's one from one of the stories that we've got. It's really pretty. All right, and I'm going to use my multi-tool and just do this one like this. Same thing. You could change the color if you wanted, but this is my decor at home. I'm doing it in black and white, which makes things so easy with Chalk Couture because everything looks good in black and white in Chalk Couture. It just does. Black boards, white chalk, white boards with the black chalk, everything looks good like that. I love that they did these whiteboards because when we first started, I would tell people, because they'd say, what colors do I need to purchase, my first purchase? And I would say, well, don't get black, because I bought a big old thing of black and then realized I'm doing this on chalkboards. I don't need black. But now that they've done these whiteboards, it's incredible on there. You can see how graphic it is. All right. I think I'm going to be good with that. Look, got it all over me. I got a wet wipe. I don't want to pull that up. I don't want to get that on my board, although I could wipe it off if I did. All right. I'm going to grab this edge, peel this away. Look, it's so pretty. Farm Fresh. Love it. So that is going to go on one of my walls at my house. So I'm going to put that one aside and we're going to start the other one. All right, same thing with this guy. And you can do this one in color so easy. It would be no problem to do this in color. I'm just not, because I'm doing kind of the graphic black and white, which is my favorite thing anyway. So I'm going to do this in black again. But you could totally do this wreath in green or copper or gold or silver, whatever you want to do it in. Let me fuzz this guy. Just like so. And is this one? Yeah, this is a 2008 transfer, so it should still be available. All right, let's check it again. Make sure at the center. Okay, I got it placed. I was very meticulous about it. I hope I got it pretty close. If I didn't, I can try it again. All right, I'm going to do this in black, just like we talked about, because I want it to really pop. So I'm just flooding that screen with the chalk. Just like so. And one thing you'll notice, I'm only going to do it like this. I don't need to cover the whole thing. I only need to cover where chalk is needed. So you don't have to cover the entire piece, transfer with the chalk. You can just cover up the pieces that are open where the white is showing through. I got a little on my board up there. Not a big deal. I can wipe that right away after we're done. I love that. Anytime we have anybody in, like kids like their artwork to be perfect. They just do. And if they make a mistake like that, they're really sad until I go, don't worry, we can wipe that right away. Probably a lot of us are that way. We like it to be perfect if we can do it. Mm-hmm. Although we don't do perfect. So if this is a little crooked, I'll probably live with it. I just don't do perfect. All right, let's peel this away and see what we get. Let's see if I can do it. Yes. See that little bit I got up there? Mm-hmm. Well, I say I can do it. If I get to the bottom, I kind of lose it. Oh, it's beautiful. Pretty. So pretty. Let me see if it's right. Oh, it's right. Look. Mm-hmm. Yay. Okay. I was a little worried. All right, I'm going to let that just sit there and dry for a minute. And now I'm going to get the numbers ready for the middle. And I'm going to do this by eye without placement tape. I just don't think I need the placement tape. I'm going to start with the two numbers in the middle. All right, so 98 is my number. So I'm going to go about right here and start with my 9. These boards are much, not stickier, but they're much more, that's it. Like they stop your transfer. You don't slide it as easy as I do with my other stuff. So I'm going to put down this 9. Wipe some of that excess off. All right, I'll peel that up. There's that. I need to I'm going to have to wash that one. So I need to let that one dry. Then I can do my 8 as long as it will fit. If not, I might have to let it dry a second. I think it will fit. All right, so here is my 8. Bring it there beside the 9. I feel like that's upside down. I'm going to flip it around. I will feel better. I think they're the same, but I think it's an optical illusion for me from where I'm sitting. Now they also have, Chalk Couture also has monograms that you can use. And a big monogram would be beautiful on this. And you can see that on the Chalk Couture sites. They have samples done like that. I do not do monograms because my second youngest son, my two youngest boys don't have the same initial as me and Vince and my two oldest boys. And so they don't like it when I don't use either both. So I don't do any. So we do stuff like this. So that's why you don't see monograms, except like my own personal. I'll do my own personal ones. Oh, here it is. I was looking for it. All right, let's go back to the 9. All right. They probably wouldn't care if I did it nowadays, but when Thomas was little, I bought something that had an H on it. And Thomas's last name starts with G. And he said, "What about me?" And I went, "Oh." I was like, "Nope, we're not doing that. We will not do monograms. It will make him feel like, it will make him feel different, and we're not doing it." So, little story from our family. All right, 9. See why I love the multi-tool? Oh, it's so good. You see that black chalk on my finger? I bet you're nervous. Amanda's like, "I don't like when you use black."
We've got it everywhere.
It's all over us, for real it is. All right, one more number. All right, and then number 1 to make it 1998. And one more year, we could have partied like it's 1999. But no, we married early. Perfect. I love it. That is so pretty. All right, I'm going to clean. I'm going to clean my mess. All right, let me clean off where I just touched. I have it all over me today. And I'm going to get that one little spot that I messed up. I'm going to use a little wet wipe, a clean spot of it. And I'm just going to rub that away. And this is what you do when it's time to change this guy out. You can just take a little wet wipe or a paper towel and some water and just wipe it away and start over with your new stuff. All right, wipe that off. And then I'm going to clean my hands. Look, I got it in my fingernail. Y'all know how much I hate that. But that is it. It is done. I love how this turned out.
I keep leaving my white chocolate covered pants.
Amanda's got white pants on today, and we're doing black chocolate couture. That's great. All right, so here's one. And then I'm going to show you the big one, too. This one's going to hang in my dining room. I think it'll be so pretty in the dining room. And then this one, I think I have the perfect spot for it, but I'm not sure. I think it's also going to be in the dining room, but on the other side. I love how these turned out. This pop of color is so pretty. And these are dry now. They've been waiting, and they're nice and dry. See, none on my hand. See? Cool. That was already there. Look, I've got it everywhere. All right, so there you go. The 2 round gold trimmed boards with white chalkboard in them. They are stunning. All right, when I get my house done, I will do a house tour, and you'll be able to see all these things hanging in their place. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next Wednesday, have fun with your chocolate couture. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.